In this video, we're going to talk about wedges. It's a device that's thick at one end and tapers to a thin edge at the other end. Another way to look at it is just two inclined planes back to back. An example of this is an axe. Here's an axe, and here's the top view of the axe. So this is just kind of as we're looking down. This would be the shape that we're looking at. And a wedge works by having a force push the wedge down into an object, which exerts an output force at a 90-degree angle and splits the object. So mechanical advantage in this case is determined by dividing the length of the wedge by its width. So the length divided by width. So in this example, we would have 12 divided by 1, which equals 12. Now you might think that that you would want an axe with a wider back. And true enough, it would split the wood farther apart if it did. So that may be why why you have that intuition. But as far as just cutting the wood apart, this tip is going to be most effective when you have a high mechanical advantage, a bigger number here, a smaller number here. I'd encourage you to be sure to review the caveman video that we watched on the day we talked about inclined planes, wedges, and screws. It's a really good video that goes into much more detail than I am going into in these videos. So go back to the day that we did that on Google Classroom and look at that video if you're feeling as if you need more review on inclined planes, wedges, and screws.